Dumpster rentals in Ohio. Looking for stress-free waste disposal and reliable dumpster rentals in Ohio? At Ohio Roll-Off and Dumpster Rental LLC, we make waste removal simple. Whether tackling a home renovation, cleaning out your garage, or managing a construction project, we have the right solution. Why choose Ohio Roll-Off and Dumpster Rental LLC? It's all about convenience. Our easy rental process allows you to schedule online, with flexible delivery times to fit your project needs. Our team is dedicated to delivering your dumpster professionally and carefully, ensuring your property stays protected. We pride ourselves on offering straightforward, upfront pricing with no hidden fees. Contact us, and we'll handle the pickup when you're done. We proudly serve the Ohio community, offering dependable dumpster rental services for every project. Let Ohio Roll-Off and Dumpster Rental LLC handle your waste so you can focus on what matters most. Call us now at 330-453-0000 for your dumpster rentals in Ohio. We're here to help you every step of the way. No stress, no mess, just reliable, professional service.